Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk remove members from Google Group with xFanatical Foresight. Removing multiple members from Google Groups manually is a tedious and error-prone process. Administrators often waste valuable time going through each user one by one, which slows down productivity and increases the risk of mistakes. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With xFanatical Foresight, admins can bulk remove members from Google Groups in just a few clicks. The automation streamlines group management, eliminates repetitive manual work, reduces errors and saves time, allowing organizations to manage groups more efficiently. Let's dive in and see how it works. To set up this automation, admin needs to extract the list of group members from the Google Workspace. Then the list will be uploaded to the automation rule to delete the group members in bulk. The template has two rules. Rule 1 lists and exports all group members to a CSV file, including the group email, and member type. Admins need to edit the CSV file to only include the members they want to delete. Rule 2 takes the extracted and edited CSV file as input and bulk removes group members listed in the file. Rule 1 exports all group members. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Bulk Delete Google Group Members template and click on it. In the Bulk Delete Google Group Members page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Group Members will display. Click on the Next button. Configure the group email field with the group you want to target to extract members list. Click the Review button. In the review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2 bulk removes group members. Go to the Templates page again. Click on Bulk Delete Google Group Members template. In the Bulk Delete Google Group Members page, click Copy Rule 2. Click on the Next button. Then click on the Review button. In the review screen, customize the rule name and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to the Rules page. Find Copy of Export Group Members rule. Click on the Play button and wait for a while. Check the notification. Click on the notification and click on the View Log button. Download the CSV of group members from here button in the log screen. Edit the downloaded CSV file, keep the group member rows you want to delete from the Google group, and delete the rest rows. Go to the Rules page again. Find the Copy of Bulk Delete Group Members rule and click on the Upload icon. Upload the CSV file and wait for a while. You will receive a notification. Click on the notification and click on the View Log button. In the log screen, you can confirm the CSV file name, member email, and group email. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.